Good evening. News came this week that the 8-month standoff between Trinidadian batsman Darren Bravo and Cricket West Indies had been resolved. This after Bravo deleted a problematic tweet he posted last November and apologized to CWI President Dave Cameron. Cameron also apologized to Bravo for what he labeled the misstatements he made on a television interview which led to Bravo's rant. Almost simultaneous with that development was a proposal from the West Indies Players Association that CWI abandons its contentious policy regarding player availability for regional cricket. The policy dictates that players would only be eligible for West Indies selection if they had played in the corresponding format in regional cricket. The board is expected to soften its hardline stance when the new round of central contracts are introduced in October. I could not be happier at these developments. When cricket fans go to the various parks, they want to see their team win. And if they do not win, at the very least, they want to see the best players on show. Watching players who are obviously not ready for the big stage of the competition play while the rule books keep out the best players is not good for cricket. As I have argued before, it is not that we do not expect quarrels or differences in positions in relationships such as this, but the long-running standoff cannot be entertained. Clearly, discussions have taken place in the boardrooms which have led to good sense prevailing. Fans of West Indies cricket all over the world are breathing a collective sigh of relief. It is now up to the players in all formats of the game to live up to the expectation of the fans and play committed cricket when they face the opponents. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.